If you are looking for the best truck batteries, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Most popular. Optima Batteries 8002-00234 RedTop Starting Battery. If you want to replace the battery for your truck, this Optima RedTop 8002-00234 is the best choice you can make. For a heavy-duty use of in any weather, Optima RedTop delivers the best results. Simultaneously, it also includes the reserve capacity, which assures durability and longevity. This Optima RedTop battery is also great in off-road tracks also. The Optima 8002-00234 RedTop battery features a lot of power under its vent caps. It has 800 cold cranking amps to start your truck in cold climate. The reserve capacity is 100 minutes. Number 2. Optima YellowTop Dual-Purpose Battery. Technically, Optima uses patented technology to make a spiral cell design battery, and this unit fits the criteria. It's an interesting design since it improvises the absorbed glass mat technology to capitalize on space and efficiency. No wonder, the manufacturer claims it offers 15 times more vibration resistance than average battery. The 750 cold cranking amps packed in this battery is more than enough to start your engine on the coldest winter morning. Number 3. Odyssey Extreme PC1500DT Battery. Here is something special about the Odyssey Extreme series: it recharges up to 100% in just 4 or 6 hours. Good luck finding another battery on the market with such a fast recharge rate. After you recharge it, the voltage is stabilized for a longer period than a conventional battery. In other words, it can sustain up to 400 deep cycles all the way to 80% discharge. Since it is an AGM battery, you don't need to maintain it. Number 4. Optima RedTop Starting Battery. This is another battery from Optima that uses spiral cell technology. The 12-volt battery can deliver 800 cold cranking amps and 100 minutes of reserve capacity. Just like other Optima batteries, the vibration resistance technology is 15 times more superior to conventional batteries. Thanks to the thick glass separators, you can mount it on any position without worrying about leaks. What's more, it's a versatile battery that is not just compatible with trucks, but also SUVs, streetcars and hot rods. A piece of this will weigh around 38 pounds. Number 5. ACDelco 78 AGM Professional Automotive Battery. For what it's worth, this battery features a handle that makes it easier to install and remove. It uses absorbed glass mat technology, which means you don't have to constantly add distilled water to stabilize it. Talk about durability, it is made of puncture-resistant material, and the design makes it possible to improve the acid circulation and cool the battery. What's more, you can apply the negative paste to prolong the battery life. The cold cranking amps rating is 720 and it can run for at least 115 minutes without an alternator. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.